Can we delete old Instagram account without password, email, and phone number? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can delete our old Instagram account without password, email, or phone number. So let's just get started with the video and find out if we can do that or not. So if you want to delete your old Instagram account without password, email, and phone number, you can head over to Instagram first. And what you need to do is, you can head over to login page, go to the menu bar at the top, and from there you can go to this option called add account and then go through the login page. So unfortunately, you can't delete an Instagram account without a password or email and address associated with your account. This is for the security reasons to prevent the strangers from deleting other people's account. So if you want to recover your Instagram account, what you can do instead is, if you want to recover your password, you can head over to login page first and you can find this option that says forgotten password. You can just go ahead and tap on this button. After that, all you need to do is go ahead and follow the instructions to create a new password. You can just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and they should help you recover your account instead. And after that, you can go with the normal process of how you delete your Instagram account. Just follow that and that is it. So for now, this is the method you can apply up in order to delete your old Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.